Sol y arena, oh so bright. Baila conmigo toda la night.
Hi everyone. I hope everybody is doing good. I'm back after 2 years. So this time it's all about Louis Philippe. So let's check it out. So this is it. Let's see. I think I should.
Burning high, feel the heat bajo el sky. Baila, sin parar, shake your body, shine like star. Baila, en el mar, keep it going, no queda igual.
And guys, you please tell me how this looks. And I was hoping this would look much shinier than this. It got a nice logo here and here as well. Anyway, overall it feels good. It feels expensive and the quality is also not that bad. It's looking great. So I have to wear it and check it out. So just a sec. Yeah, it's good. Looks good. So looks good. So sounds like somebody is coming. It's comfortable, but like it's not that light and not that heavy as well. And sooner or later I'm gonna make another video on this particular shoe. I'm gonna wear this every day to my office, and I'm gonna see how it goes. After a month or 2 months I'll be making another video on this particular shoe. Okay, so that's it for today, and it's good to back again. So happy Makara Sankranti to everyone, and see you guys. Bye bye.